everybody. Welcome to this edition of RMS TV. It's great to have you with us. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about rent. Did you know that rent in the Tampa Bay area has increased by 20% compared to last year? 20%. According to Dr. Lee Wedge from USF, this puts our region in the top 5 metros for having the highest rent increases in the country. Dr. Wedge also says that there are about 1,000 people a day moving into Florida. About 115 of those people are actually moving into the greater Tampa area. So let's do a little math. 115 people a day times 365 days is about 42,000 people a year moving into the greater Tampa Bay area. And they all need a place to live, right? Well, that's called opportunity. So how do we tap into that opportunity? As you know, there's a very high demand for single-family home rentals. Not many to show. And those that are available come with a rather steep price tag. I think we need to be much more conversant in getting people to consider the benefits of buying versus renting. For example, mortgage payments versus rent. If someone's willing to pay $2,000 a month in rent, that $2,000 a month over a 10-year period equals about $250,000. Gone. Not a good return on an investment, for sure. So if someone's willing to pay $2,000 a month in rent, can we actually tell someone what kind of home they could afford with a similar monthly payment? Well, Ryan Green from RMS Mortgage Services tells me that with a 3% down and an interest rate of 3%, a $2,000 a month payment would relate to about a $480,000 home. Now, we didn't estimate taxes or insurance in that calculation, but you get the point, right? Consider the benefits. How about stability of monthly payments? Not worrying about those increases we talked about earlier. How about tax benefits? How about increased equity year after year? Wow. I mean, now we're talking about a real investment, a real return on that investment, buying versus renting. You know, many people don't believe they can buy. Most of those people are wrong because with the mortgage products that are available today, it's quite amazing. I would always ask someone, have you ever considered buying? Let me put you in touch with our loan officer who will tell you exactly whether or not you can and exactly what you could afford. It's a wonderful way to build a relationship with a customer or client. It takes some skill. And as you think about honing those skills, and I really believe with all my heart we need to hone these skills, this is one area where I think we need to really concentrate our efforts. It will not only help us, it will not only help you, but it will help the consumer. We don't have a lot of time to get into training today, but I can tell you that in the coming days, we're going to be talking a lot more about the skills of talking to someone about purchasing a home instead of renting. So enough for today. I hope you get the point. Thank you again for being here. I look forward to seeing you next time. And until then, have a great day. Bye-bye, everybody.